Hey, what's going on, ladies and gents? This is Penn. Welcome back to my channel. So this was like breaking news about a couple of days ago, actually. I just didn't find a time to actually upload it 2 days ago. But I followed the original thread on Reddit, and then it brought me to avgadgets.com. So they have a Sofabaton X2 smart remote first look. And because this is uploaded as an article, as a first look on their website, I'm sure they already had clearance, and Silver Baton already knew that people was going to see first look images or imagery of how the device or how the design would be. So you can pretty much say that I'm safe uploading this. Now, I will give credit to the website and all that. That would be down in the description. And I'm also a product reviewer. I work with Sofa Baton, and I've already been in discussions upon receiving this device early so that I can test it and then bring it to the channel for review, just for full transparency. I've known about it for quite a while, to be honest. I was just quiet until someone came out with it. So this is the Sofa Baton X2. This is a universal remote, and man, based off, I'm excited for this one, man, because this might be the Logitech Harmony killer. And as you know, the Harmony Elite, they announced that they're discontinuing the brand. That was a while ago. Now, since then, everyone has moved to like Sofa Baton because it's still within that realm of DIY, and you don't have to pay a dealer exorbitant fees to program your device or your home automation. So this sort of like bridges the gap between affordability and being able to still function and do it yourself and not require an additional third party. All right. So they stated that what remained the same was centralized management of multiple devices. That makes sense. It's a universal remote. Activity scenario linkage. So you can create custom activities such as movie mode, and then you can trigger multiple social devices to work together in a single click. So yeah, that makes sense. And then they have a third party voice platform. So that's compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant. And then you can have voice commands directly control the devices. So that's cool, right? And it looks like also it comes with its own like charging slash docking station, which I actually have like a third party one for my Sofa Baton X1S, so that's a current flagship from their lineup currently. So if this comes included, you just place this on the charging dock, similar to how the Logitech Harmony presented themselves. And I like this. I like if this is included in the packaging, right? That's dope. And I also like the color scheme as well. We're getting something a tad different, what I'm saying? It looks different enough to stand out, and that's the purpose of this. So I like that. Now, what they stated what was new was the intelligent control expansion. So now the system now supports Home Assistant integration and IP control via HTTPS. So that's enabling seamless cross-platform device linkage, whatever. So you're syncing lights, thermostats, speakers. So the control center just got a whole lot smarter. So I like that because now if you're into the home automation aspect, Sofa Baton is going to be digging deeper into that realm. And then I'm telling you, this is going to be the go-to universal remote, especially for home theater fanatics or people that just have an entertainment center that just want to control various devices with a single remote. And then they also have infrared signal coverage boost. So they're saying say goodbye to line of sight limitations. So this thing has a built-in transmitter in the remote and a repeater-enabled hub. So they're saying that users can now control infrared devices across multiple rooms, bringing the home coverage to legacy tech. Okay. And then they said the remote has a built-in IR transmitter, and there are IR extenders included with the new Baton X2. So that should mean no more dead spots. And they have a picture of the device right here. Bluetooth functionality expansion, enhanced Bluetooth Wi-Fi compatibility, So you should be getting like zero delay switching with that, and then more compatibility with various devices that you may have. That may include Wi-Fi device brands, so smart TV, speakers, things like that. So that's a step forward for sure. Then they have quick access to numeric keypad and micros. So there's like a canoe collection button apparently below the screen. So it can allow instant access to keypad and micro functions. So those are some of the things that people have requested in the past, or definitely, hey, like where's the number keypad or additional functions? So now that's here. All right. And some other stuff as well. I can't wait to get my hands on it. That was just the gist of the article, things of that nature. Like I said, I'll leave it down in the description so you guys can take a look at it and to see if can be of interest to you. I'm definitely looking forward to getting my hands on it. And not because I'll be getting it free of charge, but I literally like them. I have all of their products. So of course, I'll be looking forward to this one and bringing it on the channel and seeing it how it ties in with my Denon X3800H and my various source devices, and see how I can interact with it, play with the lighting, and just overall just have a remote that's more in line with the Logitech Harmony or better. And in my case, I'm thinking it's going to be better because it's just only going to be more support. There's going to be more feedback, and they're going to have more revisions as well. So it's only going to get better from here on out. That's my take on it thus far. What do you guys think? Do you have a Sofabaton? Are you using a universal remote? What are your thoughts on this news? Did any of you know about this? Are you following Reddit? I advise for you to follow them. Breaking news. And a review will be coming to the channel later this year. All right. Thanks for watching. Take care. Peace out.